How long will it be before the sound effects library is a thing of the past and you just connect to an AI sound effects assistant? It looks at the scene, it spots what's happening in the scene, analyzes it, and generates the sound effects because it's ingested all these, it bought a copy of Sound Dogs and Soundly and all the other sound effects libraries that are online and generates the appropriate sound for whatever's happening on screen, does instant Foley based on what it recognizes in the frame. I don't think that's very far away. So I think
You're probably right.
the days are numbered on the sound effects library and spotting and laying in sound effects and sound sweetening and sound design. I think basic sound design could be taken over by an AI client today if needed.